How's it going, guys? This is Mark with @Tech, and in this video I want to show you how you can relocate your Wi-Fi router the very easy way. This is by no means the best way or the optimal way, but let's say you're in a pinch, you need to move it really quickly, or you don't have fast internet as it is, then this is for you. Again, I do not recommend this, but I actually did this on a project where it made sense. I'll explain why and when this would actually work and how you do it right now. So here's what you'll need in order to relocate your Wi-Fi router. A power line adapter, and that's pretty much it. We did make a video on power line adapters and how they work for high internet speeds across a fairly long distance. So definitely check that out. Video is right up there, where we go more in depth on a pretty sweet kit. That isn't too expensive either. So in this test, I am using those exact same ones, but this one is a pretty long run. We are going from a downstairs floor to upstairs, and is going from the original house to an extension that was added to the house. So it's a pretty intense run, especially for power line adapters, but I'm pretty impressed with the results. So as you saw in our previous video, we had 85 in the main area, with the Wi-Fi router right there is what we're supposed to be getting. And worst speeds that we saw were around 50. So it doesn't hold the full speed throughout the entire thing, which is somewhat disappointing. But the amazing thing about slow internet is that slow internet is slow everywhere and doesn't really get much worse. So the reason we're doing this is because I need to put a server in a remote location that's not going to be noisy for the people that live there. Again, we made a video right up there where we built our own server, and this is me deploying that server, but there was no Ethernet ports anywhere, and I had to move the Wi-Fi router. So their internet at that house is 1 megabit per second down, which is horrible, but it's also pretty nice because you don't have to worry about losing speed. So all you had to do was take the phone line from the wall, which goes into the modem, out the modem into the power line adapter, plug that into the outlet. Then we just meet it up wherever we want to have our internet, plug in the power line adapter on the other end, Ethernet into that, and then into the router, and then that's it. We now get full speeds. And that is the very simple way to relocate your router. Now, like I said, this is not optimal because you are going to definitely lose speed if you are doing this with a high speed internet connection. Luckily, this was pretty slow to start off with, so I didn't lose any speed at all. But if this is going to be a permanent solution, it's not a great option, because if you're getting 85 like we do here, but you're only going to get 55, it's not that great. You're not going to want to do that. But in my case with slow speeds, it was a really simple way to relocate the router without having to wire Ethernet through the walls and that sort of stuff. So there you go, a really quick and easy way to relocate your router, maybe permanently in your case, or hopefully temporarily until you get a better solution. There does exist wireless range extenders, but in my case I needed Ethernet going directly into my router so I could get maximum gigabit local speeds on the server. And that is what I went with. So if you have any questions or suggestions for future improvements, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.